So for now, what is Coolify? Coolify is a self-hosted platform designed to simplify the deployment and management of applications. It's an open source alternative to services like Heroku, offering an easy-to-use interface deploying web applications, database, and other services. It is a best alternative to Vercel for if you are going for a self-hosted platform instead of Vercel for with cheap users for a new startup. Coolify supports various deployment options including Docker and integrate with popular version control system like GitHub and GitLab. It aims to provide a developer-friendly experience with features like automatic SSL, custom domains, domain management, and monitoring tools. It has a lot of options like this dash.set.co, and let's new project, and you can see the database things and other things like github, git control management, and there are so many things. App, file browser, what's that, and here's the app right one, here's the app right, that are the things. So hello guys, today we will see that how to install Coolify on our cloud or our VPS whatever on a Ubuntu system. So for that we need a Ubuntu system. For this video I am using DigitalOcean. You can use AWS or whatever you want where your things are hosted. For installing on self-hosted, you just have to click here and copy this command. This is a one-line command that will install the Coolify on your system. Firstly, let's create a droplet quickly. After that, I will delete this droplet Ubuntu. Okay, set this stat. Okay, all set, all set. The scene size, let me increase it. Okay, SSH key, you should use SSH key for security purpose. For now I am going with password and Coolify tutorial, and let's create a droplet. It will take some time in creating droplet, and this is our droplet, and this will give an IP address, and that will be temporary. If we restart our droplet, the IP will be changed. For that you can reserve an IP. For example, for now this is our IP, but when we will enable this, a reserved IP will be provided to our system. Now let's go back and see the IP is changed now. And for access, let's launch droplet here, and here is our Coolify command. This is a curl code. This is a bash code that will install using curl. All these things will be installed. You can see the code here. This will download all the dependencies from here, and Docker is obviously required for this because it supports Docker also. Let's run apt update. apt great. It will update our system. And if you don't know about Coolify, this is a self-hosted version of Vercel, for example. And if you clicked here, that means you know about Coolify. If you don't know, you can search about it, obviously. And I like this because Vercel is so costly, and this provides you a free version with managing console. For now, I will show you a version I have installed on my website. This is the Coolify dashboard, where you can add projects, create your databases. Let me show you the home page. This oh let's create a new project, and these are the options: a Docker file, or public repository, GitHub repository. You can automatically on push build. You can also add webhooks, custom domains, and there are many more services, AppRide, this, that. There are so many things. So this is the thing. Let's paste the command and wait for the installation. And this is installing. You can check out the article that how to install it. And if your system gives you a Docker issue, then this is the way you can solve it. I have added in this article. In so many cases, it will not provide you any error because you have created just a new container. And I think all the things are installed. That few are remaining. And this is most efficient way. If you use Ubuntu, Nginx, these tab services that will with so many customizations, etc. I have shown in my previous articles. Let me show you. Ubuntu, these things. This is also good, but it have you have to be a very better programmer to handle this, or you have to know about Ubuntu, because it is not so easy to install these type things. But this is very easy. You just have to install, copy, and open the URL in new tab, and you have to create an account, email, password, and register here. For the first time, register here and save it, get started. And next, we will use the localhost. You can also add a remote server here using FTP or whatever they will provide. And this is your home page looks like. Disable this pop-up, and you can deploy your Next.js, Node.js, whatever you have, or Docker, or any database like Redis, for open source free hosting. You just have to pay for this. Droplet if you have a serious web hosting, or if you have a serious project or website, you can host it here like this, and that will be so cheaper than Vercel or any other platforms. That is easily customizable using Nginx or any servers things, what is called PM2 things. Okay, so this is better. This is a better approach, Coolify, using Coolify. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching.